In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly insert an image into your Figma mockup. This simple process will help you enhance your designs with just a few clicks. Whether you're refining a client's project or adding the finishing touches to your own creative work, knowing how to place images efficiently is a valuable skill in the designer's toolkit. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to have your Figma file open and ready to go. If you haven't already, pull up your file in Chrome. This ensures maximum compatibility and a smooth workflow. Once your mockup is open, locate the specific placeholder or frame within your design where you'd like to add your image. It's important to have a clear idea of where this image will fit, so take a moment to visualize how it will integrate with your existing layout. Now let's move on to the action part. In Figma, placing an image is very intuitive. Go to the top menu bar and click on File. From the drop-down that appears, select Place Image. Alternatively, to speed things up, you can use the handy keyboard shortcut, Ctrl plus Shift plus K if you're on a Windows computer, or CMD Shift plus K if you're working on a Mac. This keyboard shortcut can become your best friend if you're planning to insert multiple images in a session. Once you've chosen the Place Image option, a dialog box will appear. This is where you select the image file you wish to insert, browse through your files, and select the perfect image that complements your design. Open it, and you'll see it appear right within your mockup frame. If it doesn't automatically drop into the correct spot, simply drag and drop it into place. Figma allows you to work with a wide range of image formats, so whether you have a JPEG, PNG, or another common format, you're in good hands. With the image placed, it's time to adjust it to suit your layout. Click on the image and start resizing it using the handles around the image's border. If the image needs tweaking to fit better, hold down the Shift key while resizing to maintain its aspect ratio, preventing any unwanted distortion. This small step ensures your image looks professional and crisp within the frame. Once you've sized it correctly, position the image where you want it on the mockup. If you're aiming for a more precise alignment, enable Smart Guides in Figma. These are tremendously helpful for making sure everything lines up perfectly with your design grid. And there you have it. A succinct way to add images to your Figma projects effortlessly. Keep experimenting and perfecting your layouts with this method. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. Don't forget to try this technique on your next design project to see how seamless image incorporation can elevate your creative work.